Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal Standard Oven. The oven door is reinforced with two heavy-gauge 1-inch square tubes to keep the door aligned for years of worry-free use. The industrial hinges are designed for easy opening and secure closing for better cooking results. The Royal oven is packed with features to ensure the best baking results possible. The oven is designed with an air baffling system which allows for cool air to enter the gas chamber evenly throughout the oven, to allow for the heat to rise evenly in order to ensure better baking results. The Royal oven comes standard with a stainless steel burner and stainless steel flex tubing for years of worry-free use. We utilize a piezo spark igniter for easy lighting of the oven without the need of a lighter or match. The heavy-gauge deflector plate uses a center V design to ensure the heat will rise evenly on both sides of the oven for superior baking results. The oven includes an all-porcelain interior for easy cleaning, and the oven bottom is removable without tools if a repair is ever needed. Our ovens come standard with a 5-position removable chrome support rack and one heavy-duty chrome shelf. A Royal exclusive. Every oven thermostat is calibrated at the factory to ensure your oven temperature is correct before leaving the factory. Royal ranges are available with both standard ovens and convection ovens. The Royal Standard Oven, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding Royal products, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.